Hello everyone. In this video we'll introduce the basic operations of the Kommander software to help you get started quickly. First, connect the signal cables properly. Press Windows plus P to switch the display mode to extend. Then open Kommander software and click New. It has two modes, plan mode and timeline mode. We'll use plan as an example. The output will automatically bind after creating a project. Or you can manually manage windows by clicking the screen management icon at the top. The display port corresponds to the physical output interface of the server's graphics card. None is a virtual output. Main screen refers to the operating monitor, which we don't recommend binding. Usually best to select the extended output. The screen represents the actual screen's mapping in the software. You can add multiple screens for split display. The screen layout on the right allows you to freely adjust the position and rotation of the screens, providing a one-to-one mapping to simulate the actual layout. After managing the windows, open the output monitoring by clicking Window Output. You can adjust the software layout according to your preferences like this. Drag and drop the material onto the gray screen area on the canvas, and it will display on your LED screen. Click the green Add button on the left. Kommander supports mainstream formats such as audio, video, images, Office, PDF files, and websites. Left-click on a material in the parameters on the right to adjust its start and end times, mirroring, color frame, and more. Once you've finished editing the material, click the yellow Add button at the bottom to save it as a plan. Left-click the plan name to configure its end mode in parameters. Replace materials, repeat edit and save process, and save all programs. During an event, you can switch between different plans with a single click. For temporary edits, use preview mode. Changes in PVW does not affect real-time output. After editing, you can save the plan or directly push it to real-time output. When all content is edited, click File, Save. If you need to copy the entire project and materials, use the project package. This will package all used or unused materials, allowing you to open the saved project directly next time. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.